Go to the Tools panel, select one of the selection tools, freehand selection, create a quick selection. Go to Layer menu and down to New Adjustment Layer and HSL. Change the hue shift, you can see there, as well as the saturation shift. Close the panel. Go to Select and Deselect, then just go over to the layers, you've got that selected. What you can do, you can drag it into the pixel layer. So it's associated with that pixel layer. Select the HSL adjustment and then go to Layer and Duplicate Linked. And you can see you've got two. You can repeat that multiple times. Go over to the Move tool, select one of the layers and you can shift it. Select another one, shift that. Select that, shift that. And you can create quite an abstract design. However, what you can also do is double click on this and just changing one layer will change all of them. They're all linked. So as you do that, the colours and everything will all change and you can modify that as well as changing the blending modes. So you can just run through blending modes and create all kinds of weird and wonderful designs, all that can be tweaked from one panel. Well, do you find this of use? Adjustment layers, all linked? Please put in the comments below. Also, if you've got any questions, also in the comments below. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you much.